Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we've got a glitch to talk about as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded the new clearance markdowns and penny list information video. I uploaded that yesterday, so if you missed out on it, make sure that you go and check it out. I'm going to have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And I also want to give a big shout out and thank you to these awesome Craz-E couponers for being the first people to comment on the last video. And we kind of had a four-way tie this time around. So big shout out and thank you to Chelsea, Dina, Judy, and Amanda. You guys are awesome. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons, and of course go ahead and clip your file of 25 for Saturday. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 for the finished products. So if you want to pick up the 12 count Quantum, those are priced at $4.45. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.45. If you want to pick up the 18 count Power dishwasher tablets, those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Next up, we have a really good deal on the All and Snuggle products. Those are priced at $3.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. Then we also have a 1-off-1 for the Gain laundry products. Those are priced at $4.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Moving on down, we have this 1-off-1 for the Colgate toothpaste. If you want to pick up the Max Fresh toothpaste, those are priced at $4, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Then we have a 3-off-1 for the CoverGirl eye products. So this is a really good deal this week. If you want to pick up the 2-count eyeliner pencils, those are priced at $4.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.95. Usually we only get a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that's a pretty good deal. Next up, we have a 3-off-2 for the Garnier Fructis. So the shampoos and conditioners are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. And here we have our 1-off-1 for the Colgate toothbrushes and the mouthwash. So if you want to pick up the mouthwash, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. This coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Colgate Max White toothbrush. Those are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. And it is also working on the Colgate Charcoal toothbrush. Those are priced at $3.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. So not a great glitch, but it is a glitch. Moving on down, we have a 3-off-2 for the Garnier Whole Blends. Now, unfortunately, our DG store coupon expired on Saturday. Otherwise, this would have been a really awesome deal. But these are priced at $4.25 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for 2. All right, next up, we've got a $2.30 off one for the Febreze Fabric Refreshers. Those start out at $4. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.70. So that's a really awesome deal there. Next up, we have a 4-off-1 for the Claritin products. If you want to pick up the children's Claritin, those are priced at $11.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. But keep in mind, you may have a higher value coupon on your account for $4.50 off of one. So I'm going to pass on clipping that one for now because I do still have that higher value coupon on my account. Next, we've got Ricola, some Clairol hair color. We have a 2-off-1 for the Icy Hot product. If you want to pick up the Roll-On Icy Hot, those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Then we have Cortisone 10, another Clairol hair color coupon. We have a 3-off-1 for the CoverGirl face products. So these start out at $6.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. So you can pick up the powder or the liquid. Then we have a 1-off-1 for the U by Kotex products. These start out at $4.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. Then we have 125 off one for the Gold Bond. So these start out at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. Moving on down, we do have this high value 4-off-1 for the CoverGirl Simply Ageless products. However, it's not pulling up anything for me in the app, so we'll have to check in store on that one. We have 50 cents off for the Pure Kick drink mixes. This one isn't really a great coupon at all. These are priced at $1.25 each. So even with the coupon, you're paying $4.50 for 4. But we'll go ahead and clip it just in case the sale comes along. Next up, we have a 1-off-1 for the Heinz ketchup. These are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have 75 cents off for the Rachel Ray dog treats. So these are priced at $3.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.90. Right, next up, we have a one-off one for the Aussie hair care products. So if you want to pick up the shampoos or the conditioners, those are priced at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. However, keep in mind that we do have some of the Aussie hair care styling products on clearance right now for $3.60. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.60. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Opcon A products. Those are pretty pricey at $7.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. We have a 2 off 1 for the all liquid laundry detergent. These are priced at $13. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $11. We have 50 cents off for the Raid. 4 off 1 for the Love's diapers, the family box size. So these are priced at $17.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $13.50. Then we have a $3.50 off one for the Airwick Scented Oil Refill 5 count. Those are priced at $12, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $8.50. Moving on down, we have a 2 off 1 for the Cascade Action Pack tubs. So these are priced at $17. After the coupon, you're going to pay $15. Then we have a 3 off 1 for the Rachel Ray dry dog food. These are priced at $20.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $17.50. Moving on down, we have a 1 off 2 for the Oreo 48-ounce ice creams. That one isn't attaching to anything in the app, so I have to scan that in the store. Next up, we have the Band deodorant and a $2.50 off one for the Arm & Hammer laundry products. So those are priced at $9.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7. Alright, now next up we have this 2 off 1 for the Gain laundry products. We're going to come back to that one here in just a second. And then right down below our last 2 coupons, we have a new 5 off 30 Gain coupon. That one doesn't expire until May the 20th, so we will have this one for quite a while. And then we also have a 2 off 1 on the Cottonelle toilet paper 18 pack, and that one is not pulling up anything in the app. But we'll go ahead and clip both of those to our accounts, and we'll go ahead and clip that 2 off 1 for the Gain laundry product as well. But we're going to talk about that one right now. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and take a look at this Gain coupon because it kind of has me scratching my head this morning. I'm not quite sure what's going on because typically when we have the 2 off 1 Gain coupon, it works on a pretty good variety of products that are priced at $7.50. You know, we'll have the flings, the dryer sheets, the fabric softener, the fireworks, all of those good things at $7.50. After the coupon, we're paying $5.50. However, with this coupon, once you pull it up in the app, or at least for me, it is not showing any products as working with this coupon. So when I was reading the details on this coupon, it just reads a little bit different. So I'm not quite sure if they've changed the verbiage on the 2 off 1 coupon, if they're trying to get us to buy specific products, but it just seems like it's a little bit more specific than our last 2 off 1 Gain coupon. But you guys let me know what you all think about it down in the comment section below, because I don't have any proof. I don't have one of the older 2 off 1 digital coupons that I can just pull up and read the verbiage on the older ones and compare it to this one, but I just have a feeling that it's just a little bit more specific. So if y'all can, please help me figure this coupon out. Let me know down in the comment section if, number one, if you can get this coupon, if it's showing as attaching to any products in your Dollar General app. I tried it on a couple of different accounts at a couple of different locations, and I still don't have any products showing up underneath the coupon. And then number two, do you think this is new verbiage where they're trying to, get us to purchase really specific products with this coupon? Or is this just like the old coupon and I just haven't been paying attention? Let me know down in the comment section below. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but before you all go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and it is absolutely free. And you know what else is free? Hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.